Good morning, my dear lovely students. How are you all? I just wish you all are doing well. So, today again I am back with a new chapter, that is, Chapter 1, Early Human. So, today I am going to teach you this chapter like a story, and I think it will be very interesting and you all will like it. So let's start with a new topic, that is early humans and their lifestyle. Early man lived in jungle. They ate fruits, leaves and roots of plants. So what we see here, early humans, they used to live in a jungle, and what they used to eat? They ate whatever things provided in the nature. They had strong arms and feet, which tell us that they were able to move fast and climb trees easily. As you can see in the picture, how their arms and feet are so strong. They had strong jaws and teeth, which tell us that they were able to eat raw food like the flesh of animals. As you can see in the picture, how their teeth are so long and strong. That is why they were able to eat the raw food like the flesh of animals. The work of man was to hunt animals, and women gather food like fruits, nuts, and root. So, what we see here, the work was divided between the man and woman. What was the work of a man? Man used to hunt animal. And what was the work of a woman? She used to see the house and gathered food like fruits, nuts, and roots. They never stayed in a particular place. They always moved from one place to another in search of food and water. As we see that early human, they were not provided food in a particular place, so they always moved from one place to another in search of food and water. Later, they learned to make tools to protect themselves from animals. They even used tools to dig the soil. So what we see here, as time passed, early human learned to make tools, and what was the purpose of making the tools? They used to hunt animals, and they even used to dig the soil, and they used tool for the various purposes. As you can see in the diagram, how they all are using the tools. Early man had no clothes to wear. They covered their body with leaves, barks, and animal skin to protect themselves from heat, cold, and insect. So what we see here, as early humans, they were not having the clothes to wear, so they were not remaining naked. They used to cover their body with whatever things provided in the nature. They used to take shelter wherever they stopped for the night. They took shelter on the branches of the trees, caves, pits, and tent. So what we see here, early human, they were not living in a particular place, so wherever they stopped at the night, they used to took the shelter there only. For example, you can see here how they used to take the shelter on the branches of the trees, caves, pits, and tent. Now let's see the new topic, that is the discovery of fire. The discovery of fire led to a big change in the life of early humans. They discovered fire by chance, perhaps from lightnings, volcanic eruption, or when the heat of the sun caused forest fire. They saw that animals were afraid of fire. Later, early humans learned to create fire by rubbing two sticks or by creating spark by striking flintstone. Then they found that meat cooked in the fire were tasty, and this led them to start cooking. Then fire became the center of daily life for early humans. He used it to protect themselves from animals and to warm himself. Then they also became the active at night using fire as the source of light. So what we see here, that as they discovered the fire, their things became very easily. They can cook now food very easily, and they can kill animals with the help of a fire, and they became active at night also, as fire was the source of light. Now let's see the next topic, that is agriculture. When early humans ate fruits, they used to throw the seeds here and there, and as time passed, they grew into a new plants. Later, they learned that early human they understood that it was very difficult for them to survive without water. So they took their shelter near the water. This is how, from a hunter gatherer, they became farmer. They then started building proper home and then live at one particular place. This was how a village was formed. Now let's see the next topic, that is invention of wheel. They needed to carry loads perhaps gave them idea to tame gentle animals like donkeys, horses and dogs. Early humans tamed these animals to carry and pull loads. Then they realized that they cannot pull the heavy load. Then they made round piece of tree trunks which can easily move from one place to another. He used them to make a cart. Initially they pulled the cart, later they used animal to pull it. It helped them to travel and carry from one place to another. They also used wheel to make a pot. Now let's see the next topic, that is the discovery of metals. As year passed by, early human discovered metals like copper, tin and iron. They found that by melting the metals, they can make different shapes of tools. Later, they invented bronze by mixing copper and tin to make stronger tools for hunting. Okay, my dear students, so this chapter is over. So, what is your duty now? So, my dear students, if you will study SST like a story, it will be very easy for you to remember every point. So please listen it again and again and try to remember every point. Thank you.